Hi everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
And where are we?
We're in BGC.
Yeah, again.
I don't know anong street.
So this is the street of kumain kakakain lang
Online
namin.
ban. Kung saan mo mas gusto mag-post,
May
mag-edit.
aso. Comment down below if maganda. Pero gusto ko to.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's nice.
I'll buy it now.
Yeah.
Actually, ang gaganda ng bags nila.
Yeah.
So you know what guys? Like,
Annyeonghaseyo.
I'm gonna face my fear of
Gusto mo ako nang
vlogging in
maghawak ng
public.
ano mo? Laptop
Okay lang,
mo.
mamaya
Akin na.
na.
Akin na.
Mamaya.
Tapos nahulog ka.
So guys,
Mahirapan ka mag-vlog eh.
now we're crossing the road. It's
Cross your road.
a lot of walking pala. Tinitingnan ako ni ate, siguro tinatry niya i-ano, if kilala niya tayo kasi
Saan si ate?
wala dumaan niya.
Bye ate.
So, comment down below what you should get seen.
Yeah.
Para bang live comments to, di ba?
Na para bang.
Kasi
Ray-Ban. Wala ka gusto sino ng Ray-Ban.
kung ano na lang talaga.
Ano na nagiging? Ayan, Muji.
Yes,
Ayan,
we're gonna
ayun
check
nga
Muji.
talaga.
Pero marami talagang cute options sa Muji. Pero yun yung thing, ang dami niyang options. So, kailangan natin
I agree.
mamili lang the right one.
Hi guys, so, this is Inisha currently. So ako muna. I'll take over. At baka gusto niyo sila ng boxer shorts. Joke lang sila. Ano pa ba? Ang dami magandang pwedeng bilhin pero hindi kami makadecide. May kakapasok lang kami.
Ayan. Sana makahanap na kami ng
Yeah.
gift festival.
Sina?
I know we're gonna sing for her. Wag. Bigyan natin siya isang ballpen. And we're the Chinese again. Ito gusto ko. For me, hindi para sa kanya. Tapos papa-embroider.
Actually,
diba?
ang cute ng mga lang, plain.
Oo nga.
And
Ako naghahanap ako ng lalagyanan ng matcha. Gusto ko to. Pero next month na kasi 400 siya. And cute yan.
baka gusto mo gumawa ng matcha na.
True. Ito, cheaper option. Memo ko naman. What if we get her a plant?
Yeah, pwede. Ang cute din.
Uy, cute siya
Totoong plants ba
actually.
sila?
Totoo. What if halaman?
Yeah.
Sabi ni sino ba yan? I want this. I really want this. Like for real.
Oh,
Guys, I want this.
gosh, yung sobrang
If you have 1,000 to spare.
Ayan na lang, mas malaki.
Look, yun ang gusto ko. Parang may
Hindi na ako
niyayakap.
hihiga sa kama ko mismo.
Look, oh.
Hot dog.
Oh my gosh. Tapos lagi siyang malamig.
Yo, I like it.
May masarap.
Ano yung lasa?
Diba? Ang galing. Predictable ka dun, nak. One of these days, nak. Okay, guys.
I don't know you personally, pero one of these days.
Sorry.
Lacoste.
Maybe we could buy Sina a shirt
Yeah,
from Lacoste.
na like tag 2K.
Never mind. So we're gonna look in Marks and Spencer's, but I'm gonna turn the vlog off because I'm shy.
No, ako na mag-vlog.
Later na
Ako
lang.
na.
Then 18%, whatever. It's
Dami pa
okay,
yan.
fine, I'll hold it. Okay, guys.
Sino do you like this one?
What if we just call her up?
Yeah.
May candles yata
Okay.
sila dun. Parang wala namang candles.
Wala pa.
Oh.
Wala, no?
Wala.
Let's go.
Thank you po. Ba na tayo? Magkakilala kayo?
Magkakilala kayo?
Dapat bibili ako ng cookies, pero
Pero,
isang linggo na ako diretso nagko-cookies. So, Pottery Barn!
saan?
Should we look for a candle?
Yeah.
And they even have a long weekend sale. At talaga
Kasi-
nag-mic pa kami, guys. Whatever.
Alam mo na. Baka dyan meron.
Baka.
Ay, tinuro ko pa talaga. Sorry. That was so Baka gusto din silang bagong ayun, sobrang
Oh,
nakita.
get it?
20%.
So, just, pasado ba?
It's 2,950.
I want something. Wait, what?
Nag-high nga
TikTok
siya.
siya.
Really? Kaya
Yeah.
akala ko nag-high lang siya.
Hi, everyone. So, we decided that the best course of action is just to get Sina the cupcakes that we saw. Kasi, it's very Sina, you know. It's
Ang cute din yung
purple
cupcakes.
flowers.
Yeah.
Like, what else screams Sina other than that? OA din.
True.
So now we're trying to look for a place to study in, but we don't know where.
Sa Zara. Gusto ko
So
mag-fit
where?
check somewhere.
Sige, tara. Saan?
Sa kabila.
Yeah. Tatawid lang kami, guys.
Yes.
Thank you naman sa update, Nisha. But where are we gonna study? Somewhere close kasi I don't wanna walk anymore.
Yeah. Kahit dito na area lang.
Actually. Tapos ang ending Arabica.
No.
No. We've been there so many freaking times, guys. We can't go there anymore.
Oh, saya ng
We're just gonna
scooter.
search. True. Now we don't know which cafe to stay. We're very spontaneous, guys. So like, and now we're just looking through cafes.
Gusto mo?
Ako okay lang. At least may saksakan dun. Maganda.
Sa anong sasok?
Actually, sobrang benta sa akin yung joke na yun. Kahit paulit-ulit siya gawin, guys. He's gonna do his fit check in Zara. Inside,
In
by the
Zara.
way.
No.
Hi everyone, we are in Toby's estate and now we're gonna be trying the mocha. I won't put the mic kasi it's charging, so there's no other.
Anyong?
This is how it looks like.
So,
The color is quite pale.
yeah. Parang, how is it? Wait na, huwag mo sabihin pala, baka biased yung opinion pag gano'n.
It's very watered down. Anyways, we're gonna be revising our manuscript and then we're gonna go home.
We will sleep.